Hi there! My name is June Atlas and I am here to present to you the Santi Edge Compensation Plan. Kung nakarating ka sa stage na ito, chances are you've already watched the video The Secrets of the Rich. And maybe something in that message resonated with you. And most likely, you've also attended our discovery session where we had the chance to look at your current income streams. And during that conversation, you might have mentioned that you're open to exploring an opportunity where you can apply the secrets of the rich and potentially improve your income streams. And most likely also, you have already been introduced to Santi Edge and the benefits that our distributors are enjoying. We are here in this session because you want to explore Santi Edge further. And the next step is for you to understand how Santi's system turns a simple use and share model into a powerful 10 ways to earn. Kung matatandaan po ninyo during our discovery session, nabanggit natin na ang simple actions of using and sharing creates volume. And Santi rewards volume in 10 powerful ways. Ito po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Sa manual na hawak ninyo at sa ating screen, makikita ninyo ang isang table kung saan nakasulat ang mga simple method or actions and their corresponding bonuses. At iisa-isahin po natin ang mga yan maya-maya. Pwede nating i-categorize into 2 ang 10 ways to earn ni Santi Edge. The first 5 are the cash flow bonuses because they can give life-changing income on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. While the next 5 are the achievement bonuses. These are the extra rewards that you get for every milestone that you achieve. Now, let's talk about the first 5 bonuses. First bonus, the personal purchase bonus. So how does the personal purchase bonus work? It says here, use the products, earn points, and get paid. Alam niyo po, lahat ng product ni Santi may tinatawag na commissionable volume. And every time you use our Santi products, you earn personal commissionable volume. And then the company will pay you up to 10% of your personal commissionable volume. O diba, gumamit ka lang ng product, kumita ka na. Bonus number 2, the retail bonus. How does the retail bonus work? Simple. Buy at a discount, you sell at SRP, then you earn your profit. Alam niyo po, as a Santi Edge distributor, you get a lifetime discount. Meaning to say, lahat ng product ni Santi, whenever you buy them at a discounted price. And then whenever you sell to your customer, of course, you sell our products at SRP. The difference is our profit. And you know, this retail bonus, this can be a life-changing one. Let me give you an example. Take for example, over time, you are able to build a customer base. And from your customer base, 10 people are buying repeatedly every month. 1 canister of our Santi Pure Barley, 1 box of our Daily C+, and 1 box of our Fusion Coffee. Do you know how much you get? 17,500 pesos. And this isn't just any income. This is residual income. Meaning to say, umuulit na income. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan maghanap ng 10 customers every month. You just have to build customer base. And from this customer base, may bibili sa'yo every month. Residual income. Now, do you know how challenging it is to earn 17,500 in residual income per month? Hindi po siya madali. Why? Because you will be needing 2.1 million pesos invested in an asset that will give you 10% per annum. Ang unang challenge doon, yung 2.1 million pesos. Hindi lahat tayo may 2.1 million pesos. Ang second challenge doon, anong asset ang magbibigay sa atin ng 10% per annum? Pero alam nyo po kay Santi, simple lang siya. You just have to share the product and then over time, you will be having 10 people buying these products. And then you will be having 17,500 or more in residual income. Do you know how life-changing the 17,500 residual income can be? I'll give you 3 options. Number 1, you can use this as your savings booster. You save the 17,500 per month for 20 years. Do you know how much you get? 4.2 million pesos. If you're 40 years old right now, most likely nagtrabaho ka na for the past 20 years. Ang question ko is, may 4.2 million pesos ka ba sa bank pag nag-retire ka bukas? If not, ang question is, will you be having 4.2 million pesos 20 years from now kung magre-retire ka at the age of 60? Eh kung di nga tayo nakaipon during our first 20 years, anong guarantee na makakaipon tayo on the next 20 years? Eh most likely, mas malaki na ang expenses natin ngayon kasi may pamilya na tayo. Now, with Sante, you can have 17,500 per month. Hindi mo kailangan mag-overtime. Kailangan mo lang mag-build ng customer base by sharing the products. Number 2, you can use the 17,500 as home loan accelerator. Take for example, may home loan ka na 5 million pesos. Payable for 15 years and ang interest nito ay 6% per annum. Alam niyo po ba, if you use the 17,500 as payment, extra payment for your home loan, you can finish your loan 3 to 4 years earlier. And then you can save 900,000 pesos in interest. Alam niyo po kung ano ang pwedeng gawin sa atin nung simple action of using the product when combined to Sante's 10 ways to earn? It can save us time. Next, you can use the 17,500 as investment multiplier. Take for example, may savings ka na ng million sa bank or wala kang home loan. Then, use the 17,500 as investment multiplier. Invest the 17,500 every month for the next 20 years at 10% annual return. Alam niyo po, this can grow to 13 million pesos after 20 years. Third bonus, the Fast Start bonus. Share the business, enroll a partner, then you earn a bonus in real time. Take for example, you share the business, then someone enrolled under the starter pack. He paid 6,988, and do you know how much Fast Start bonus you get? 1,680 pesos. Ladies and gentlemen, this is almost 24%. This is above the industry's norm. And this is above what car and real estate agents are getting. O di ba po, ang sarap ibenta ng ating mga packages, ang sarap i-share ng ating business. Why? Because you get a huge Fast Start bonus. Papunta na tayo sa mas exciting na mga bonuses. Next is what we call the Infinity Bonus. How does the Infinity Bonus work? It says here, build 2 teams, match the volume, earn in real time. Let's talk about building 2 teams. So, the first thing that you need to do is to sponsor at least 3 people to activate your Infinity Bonus. So, you put the first 2 on your left and then the next one on your right. So, may dalawang team ka na. Now, you have to help them do the same. So, yung tatlo mo, nag-sponsor din ng tigtatatlo, and then nag-sponsor din ang mga sumunod ng tigtatatlo. And then, you will see it compound over time. Your 3 compounded into 243 over time by duplicating the simple method of using and sharing. Alam niyo po, ito ang maganda kapag ang method is simple and doable. It can be duplicable. And because it can be duplicable, it will compound over time. Imagine your 3 becomes 243. You have now 162 on your left and 81 on your right. Next, match the volume. Saan po uli nanggagaling ang ating mga volume? Di ba po? Sa personal volume, sa customer volume, and of course, sa network volume. Now, assuming each of these 243 is producing 420 commissionable volume every month. by serving to 10 customers and enrolling 2 starter packs. You know how much volume you get in a month? 102,000 group commissionable volume per month. You have 68,040 CV on the left and 34,020 CV on the right. How many volume match? 34,020 CV. Now, earn in real time. Ilan yung nag-match na volume natin? It's 34,020. Alam nyo, bibigyan ka ng company ng 10% dyan as your infinity bonus. So you get 3,402 US dollar as your infinity bonus. Alam nyo po, sa current exchange rate ni Sante, which is 56, you get 190,512 pesos. The power of spillover. Alam nyo po ba that this example doesn't even include spillover yet? Ano ba yung spillover? Spillover daw is the bonus growth that you didn't even have to create. Hindi mo raw pinaghirapan, hindi raw galing sa'yo. Bakit? Kanino galing yan? Galing po yan sa volume ng team na na-spill over ng sponsorship line mo. Yung mga taong nasa taas mo, you call them your sponsorship line. And remember, every time they spill over people under you, and these people buy products, pwede kang kumita ng infinity bonus from these people, from this volume. Next is the leadership bonus. Ano ba itong leadership bonus? It says here, when your team earns from infinity, you earn again. We call this leadership bonus. Up to 10 levels deep. Gaano po ito kalaki? Computin natin yung level 1 lang. So yung first level mo is earning 190,000 each. Bibigyan ka ng 5 to 20% depending on your rank. Take for example, ang binigay sa'yo is 20%. How much leadership bonus do you get? 38,102 pesos. This is the 20% of the 190,000 na infinity bonus ng first level mo. Pero galing lang sa isang tao to yung 38,000. Remember from our example kanina, 3 yung first level mo because you sponsored 3 people. So how much do you get in total? 114,307 pesos. Leadership bonus from your first level alone. Imagine earning this every month even when life goes on. You get 17,500 residual income from retail bonus, 190,512 pesos passive residual from infinity bonus, and 114,000 pesos passive residual from leadership bonus. Month after month, not because you worked harder, but because a system kept working. Imagine earning this every month. How better do you think your life would be? Your family's life would be? Well, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, if you can imagine it, the next step is to start believing that it's possible for you. Now let's go to the achievement bonuses of Sante. We have the Rising Star bonus. Ano ba itong Rising Star bonus? It says here, you start strong, then you hit early milestones, then you earn extra bonuses. Ano ba yung mga early milestones that you can hit? We have the 30-day challenge, the 60-day challenge, and the 90-day challenge. Sa 30-day challenge, all you need to do is to sign up 3 people. And when you do so, your reward is 25% to 100% additional fast start bonus for up to 90 days. Take for example, nakasponsor ka ng 3. The first one signed up sa global package, the next signed up sa builder package, and the next one nag-sign up sa extreme package. How much do you get? Sa global package, may fast start bonus ka na $600, but according to the table, bibigyan ka pa ng 100% ng fast start bonus mo. Then you get additional $600. Bonus lang yan extra reward lang yan. Now, for the builder pack, ang fast start bonus mo is $60. From the table, you can see that bibigyan ka pa ng additional 50%. Meaning to say, you get additional $30. And for the extreme pack, magkano ang fast start bonus? $180. From the table, sabi dito, bibigyan ka pa ng 75%. How much do you get? $135. Now, sa 60-day challenge, all you need to do is to advance to director rank. If you do so, your reward will be 20% of the total CV from your team's repeat order. Take for example, after 90 days, the total CV of your group is 2,000 CV. Then you get 20% of the 2,000 CV. Then you get $400 as extra bonus. Then the 90-day challenge. Under the 90-day challenge, you just need to help 2 people from your team reach the director rank. If you can do that, you earn $500 lump sum. Now, the mentorship bonus. If your directs earn Rising Star bonus, you earn mentorship bonus up to 50%. Take for example, your direct earns $1,000 from the 30-day challenge, $400 from the 60-day challenge, and then $500 from the 90-day challenge. Meron siyang total na Rising Star bonus na $1,900. How much do you get? Up to $950. Mentorship bonus. And then you have the one-time achievement bonus. It says here, when you rank up, you get rewarded on top of all other bonuses. When you get promoted to the executive director, you get one-time achievement bonus. When you get promoted to the gold executive director, you get one-time achievement bonus. When you get promoted to the platinum executive director, you get another one-time achievement bonus. And when you get promoted to the diamond executive director, you get another one-time achievement bonus. Then the global bonus. When you become a diamond, you will earn a share to global profit sharing. Paid every 4 months. Hindi po Pilipinas lang ang pinag-uusapan ng profit sharing natin ha. Global profit sharing. And lastly, you have the Dream Quest bonus. From gadgets to dream car, house and lot to global destinations. You can enjoy all of this for free as part of the Dream Quest bonus. Can't wait to start? We can't wait either. But let's slow down for a moment. I want you to scan the QR code and see how package choice affect long-term earning potential. So, how do packages affect long-term earning potential? Alam niyo po, lahat ng negosyo may iba't ibang earning potential, di ho ba? Siyempre, iba ang earning potential ng isang restaurant that can accommodate 100 people than a restaurant that can only accommodate 30 people. Yung maliit na restaurant, madaling mag-overflow. Same is true with Santay Edge. According to the video, packages in Santay Edge are like buckets, para silang mga timba. If you have a small bucket, its capacity is also small. Kaya madaling mag-overflow. And those overflow of income could have gone somewhere else like family savings, children's education, retirement fund, dream travel, at marami pang iba. Bigger buckets have bigger capacity. And the biggest one gets the highest earning potential. Logic will tell us to get the biggest package. Siyempre, mas panalo yun eh. However, most people do not listen to logic when making a business decision. Most people listen to their emotion. And the most common emotion, it's fear. Paano pag hindi mag-click? Paano kung hindi ko pala kaya? Paano kung malugi? Takot ang dahilan kung bakit kakaunti lang ang successful na negosyante. However, there is an emotion that, like logic, will tell us to get the biggest package. And it's faith. Faith will give you vision. Faith will make you strong and bold. Faith will help you take that big leap. At alam niyo, lahat ng successful na negosyante, when they started their business, they began with a strong faith. That's why naniniwala sila na kahit maliit ang simula, lalaki ito in the future. Because if they didn't believe their business could grow, they wouldn't have started at all. The same is true with Sante Edge. Alam nyo po, lahat ng successful distributors dito, they began with the faith that their business could become something big, something global, and something life-changing. How about you? How big do you see your Sante Edge becoming? Alam nyo po, minsan may tinanong ako, sabi ko sa kanya, if you are going to decide now based on fear, what package are you going to choose? At sabi niya, he would get the starter pack. Then I asked him, what if you are going to decide based on faith? What will you choose? Then he told me he would probably get the global package. And then we compared the capacity of both packages. The capacity of starter pack when it comes to maximum income per week is only $200. Well, the global pack is $4,000. That is a $3,800 overflow per week. Overflow that could gone to family savings, children's education, retirement plan, dream travel, at marami pang iba. That overflow, ladies and gentlemen, doesn't stop from the maximum income per week. It can also happen in fast start bonus. Take for example, naka-starter package ka and somebody signed up under the global pack. How much do you get? Only 7,700. Compare that kung naka-global package ka, you will get a fast start bonus of 33,000 pesos. How much is the overflow? Around 26,000 pesos. Kung meron kang 10 na napag-global package, how much is the overflow? It's more than 200,000 pesos. Overflow that could have gone to your family savings, to your children's education, to your dream travel, and to many more. And again, the overflow does not stop in the fast start bonus. It will go all the way to the maximum CV earned per package and sales order to the leadership bonus. Alam niyo po, nung nakita yan ng aking kaibigan, sabi niya, I'll be missing out on a lot of things because of fear. That's why he decided to start his business with faith. And it is also my hope that you will decide to start your Sante Edge business with faith. Thank you so much, and at this point, I would suggest that you talk to the person who invited you. He will help you make the right decision for your Sante Edge business.